From $4 an hour in noisy factory to 20,000 amount from something people stick on their reach. Sound impossible? I will show you exactly how it happened, step by step. In this video, I will share how I went from earning from $4 an hour to making 12,000 in single month. I am sharing this because you can do it too. If you're ready to make magnet or want to start, you will find helpful tips on my channel to grow and scale your business. First, let me be clear, it's not as easy as it looks in videos. The process itself isn't complicated, but the real challenge is making sales. If you're ready to invest time, effort, dedication, trust me, you can make a living from home doing this. My name is Tuyan. I came from a small country in Europe. It's called Bulgaria. Here, the average salary is about $900 and the population is 7 million. About 2 million people are active users. 99% of payments are cash on delivery. I'm telling you this so you understand. Even with this limitation, this business works. If you're somewhere else in the world and you can make it work, the problem is probably not the market. It's you, my friend. The idea and the product matter less than how you execute. I started this business while still working in that factory for $4 an hour. My first month, just 3 sales. I almost give up. Then I figured out what worked for me. I didn't expect to make then 2,000 amount from such niche product. I thought, who will buy fridge magnet twice? But within 6 months, I scaled my store. Here's the February, 12,000 in revenue with conversion rate over 4%. That's a very high rate. Top performing store hit numbers like that. Almost 30% of my orders that month were from returning customers. These are the most valuable customers and you have to take care of them. I already have customers who have placed more than 5 orders. I will share my tricks for that in future videos. If you want to know exactly when quit my job and how to decide when you should, follow my channel. That video is coming soon. Here are the key things that you got here. One of the most important truths about this business is that you're a salesperson first, not just someone who makes magnet. You can make the most beautiful magnet in the world, but if you don't present them the right way, you won't succeed. And remember, you're selling online. E-commerce works differently from physical shop. Think of it like this. If you own a coffee shop or bakery on a busy street, people walk by, see you and eventually stop it. Some places even invite you from the sidewalk. But online, you're just one website among 200 million. You post in social media 5 to 10 times, but usually only friends see it. You hope for orders, but they don't come. Frustrated with low organic traffic, you decide to pay for ads. You run one campaign, then another, and still don't make money back. Your motivation drops. And this is the moment that decide what you are an entrepreneur or not. If you choose to push forward, sit down and review everything you've done. Put yourself in the customer's shoes. What would I want to see? How would I want to be approved? Then start creating varied content and test it both with ads and organically. Your goal is to find the right message and the right audience. Keep in mind, running ads has its own rules. It's not just boost post. Always aim for sales campaign. Analyze your result and keep experimenting. Buying magnet is an emotional decision, but sometimes people need to see your ads for 2 weeks before they buy. At the beginning, while you're investing in ads, you may not make big profits, but you planting seeds you harvest later. People need to know you exist before they buy from you. The next thing that you help to scale and build sustainable, profitable business is quality. After marketing, this is your top priority. When a customer receives their magnets, they should be impressed. Remember, a happy customer shares their experience with about 8 people, while an unhappy one tells 16. So work for great reviews. In production, defects happen, especially early on before you learn the details. Never compromise on quality. It's better to lose a little now than lose trust later. I call my product boutique magnets because each one is crafted with great attention to detail. Here are some of my defective stock, worth more than $500 and hours of work. Yes, I lost money, but it worth it. I have high ratings, many personal thank you message, customer who return. Take time to review your print, so would be happy to receive them. If needed, adjust some photos before printing. Quality also includes the entire customer experience. A clean, easy to use website without unnecessary pop-ups, clear information about prices and delivery time, responsive customer support. You won't get many injuries, but replying quickly build trust. In short, if you can convince people to buy and your product is truly high quality, you will succeed, but it won't happen overnight. This applies to many business. Remember, a drop of water doesn't burst a rock with force, but with persistence. That's my story from $4 an hour to $12,000 a month. In my next video, I will show you the exact machine I used and how you can use it. Bye.